What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Sorry, it's a little bit noisy this time because they have another class on the other room and the aircon is so crazy. It's very hot here in Hong Kong now. So yeah, let's start. So the title of the song is called Street by DOJA CAT. I hope I pronounced this right. Alright everybody, alright, let's start. So from this one, remember, close your feet first. You gotta do slowly, arch back. 1, 2, down on 3, 4, 5, 6, and up on 7, 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, down 5. 6 and 7, 8. Good job. Next, turn 1. Go to your right on 2. Up on 3 and 4. Close on 5, 6 and 7 and 8. Good job. From here, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. Okay, let's combine first and second. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Close 5, 6 and 7 and 8. Good job. Next, we're gonna open. You can jump or just open. Okay? For this one, we're gonna jump still. 1, 2, touch the floor. 3, 4. Make sure you put inside 4. This is 5, 6. Hope you can see me. 6 is different. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Okay? One more time. Can you see? I put it down a little bit. One more time. So from here, 7, 8, jump. 1, 2, 3. Cross 4, 5, 6. Arch back. 7, 8. 1, 2. Good job. Next. Down on cute. 1, 2, 3. Oh wait. So this is 1, 2. My counting is wrong. Should be start 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 5. Recover on 6, 7, 8. Continue goes 1, 2, 3, 4, up on 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yes. One more time. We do it from here. 6, 7, up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Arch back. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hop. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up on 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yes. Next, from here, 7, 8. Turn 1, 2, 3. Make sure your left raise on 3, then your right on your chest. 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. This is 7 and 8. One more time. From here. So 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Close on 6, 7. Very good on 8. Almost. Go up. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5. Have one. 6, 7, 8. Let's finish this one. Walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look back. 1, 6, 7. Last 8. Yes, that's all the choreography. But before that, let's do it one more time from the back. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, down. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Let's do it from the beginning. Are you ready? Wow, confident. Here we go. So, Ross, guys, if you saw her doing a different choreography because she has knee problem, so never mind. So 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Turn 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now 5, 6, wait, 7, 8. 1, don't worry, I'm not here later. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My ball. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up. 5, 6, 7, and cross. Last 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah! Good job! Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the sexy choreography that we made today. We'll see you next time. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe, okay? Share, comment, like.